Hello bachon, good morning. Today we are going to solve the 3.2 exercise of Unit 3 of Class 10th NCERT book. And question number 2. What is this exercise? In this exercise, we are going to solve the linear equations of two variables by graphical methods. Okay, by drawing graph or by plotting graph, we are going to find the solution of the linear equations given in this chapter, in this exercise. Okay, now let us take the first question. The first question is uh, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Okay, there are 10 students, so the total number of students were 10. And mathematics quiz, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Okay, number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Okay, and we have to find the number of boys and number of girls. So there are two things. First is total there are 10 students, and the girls are 4 more than the boys. Okay, so we don't know how many boys and girls were there. So let us take that the number of boys is equal to, let number of boys is equal to x, and number of girls equal to y. Okay, now first condition, what was the first condition? Total there were 10 students. So okay, so the first equation will be total there are 10 students, that means number of boys plus number of girls, total they are 10. Okay, so I can write y is equal to 10 minus x. So this is first. And second condition was girls were 4 more than the boys. That means girls are y and they are 4 more than the boys. Okay, that means these are girls, these are 4 more than the boys. So I can write this like this equation. Okay, now we have to just find out the solutions, and to plot the graph we need the x and y coordinates. So let us take the x and y coordinates here. Let me take from 1. Okay, from 1, when I'll take x is equal to 2. Let me take x is equal to 2. Okay, then y will be equal to what? Y will be equal to 10 minus x. I have taken 2 and that is 8. Okay, so when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 8. Okay, and when x is equal to, let me take x is equal to let me take x is equal to 3. Okay, so let me take x is equal to 3, then y will be equal to what? Just put the value here. So you'll get 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. And when x is equal to 4, okay, when x is equal to 4, then y will be equal to 10 minus 4, which will be equal to 6. So I got all the solutions. So write down these solutions here in a table. Okay, let me draw a table here and write the different values of x and y here. These are very simple. X and this is y. Okay, when I take x is equal to 2, then I got the y 8. Okay, so when I take x is equal to 3, then I got y is equal to 7. And when I put x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 6. Okay, in this way I have got the different points x and y coordinates for the first linear equation. Okay, now let us take the second. From 1, from 2, what was the 2? 2 is y is equal to, so x plus 4. So when x is equal to 2, then y will be equal to what? X plus 4. So 2 plus 4, then y is equal to 6. Okay, and when x is equal to what? 3, then y will be equal to, in place of x I'll write 3. So 3 plus 4, that will be equal to 7. Very simple. And when, let me take x is equal to 4, then y will be equal to how much? In place of x, I will put 4. Okay. So 4 plus 4, I'll get 8. So I got this x and y coordinates for the second equation also. Okay, so this is x and this is y. Let me see. When I take x is equal to 2, then I got the y 6. When I take x is equal to 3, then I got the y is equal to 7. And when I got x is equal to 4, then I got y is equal to 8. So now I have to just plot these points on graph. Okay, I have already plotted these graphs because these are very simple. You already know that how to plot the graph. Okay, let me make you clear how I have plotted it. So firstly, take this number of boys along x-axis, because we have taken the number of boys x. So let us take the number of boys along x-axis and number of girls along y-axis. Okay, now let us firstly solve this equation. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 2, okay, then y is equal to 8. Okay, and when x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 7. When x is equal to 3, then y was equal to 7. Okay, and when x is equal to 4, then y was equal to 6. Okay, from the 1, 2, 3, I have got all these 3 points here for this equation, and the equation was x plus y is equal to 10. So I have drawn, or I have plotted the graph for this equation, x plus y is equal to 10. Now let us plot the graph for y is equal to x plus 4. So when I got x is equal to 2, then I got y is equal to 6. For x is equal to 2, the y is equal to 6. When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 7. Okay, and when x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 8. Okay, so again just join these points, and when I join, I got a straight line. Okay, and you can see that there is a common point between these two, and that is 3 and 7, and this common point is the solution of these two linear equations, or these two lines. Okay, so I can write that what, okay, the graph, in the graph, common point on which line intersect is what देखा ना आपने, ये यहाँ पे you have seen that this is the common point. Okay, for both these lines, 3, 7, 3, 7 is 3, 7 is 3, 7, and you already know that in this this first number shows the point on x coordinate, and this second number shows the points on second coordinate. Therefore, solution of this is equal to solutions of these equation is what? X is equal to, which is common, 3, x is equal to 3, and y is equal to 7. Okay, so in this way I got the solution. So x, I have considered the x is number of boys and number of girls is r's of y. So therefore number of girls is equal to what? Y. So number of girls was 7, and number of boys were 3. Okay, so let us check this from by this. Okay, or checking from 1, what I got? X plus y is equal to 10. X plus y, which is equal to 10. So x is equal to what? I have considered the x is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 7, which is equal to 10. So I can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means this is the solution and our solution is correct. So 3, 7 is the solution of these equation, and therefore the number of boys are x. X I have taken. So number of boys will be the x coordinate of this intersecting point. So the x coordinate of this intersecting point is 3, and y coordinates, y हमने क्या माना था, y we have taken the number of girls, so the y coordinates of this intersecting point is 7. So the solutions are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. Therefore the girls are 7, number of girls 7, and number of boys 3. Okay, so this is the answer.